welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Netflix app update required. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix a Netflix app update required error, you need to update the Netflix app itself, your device's operating system, or your device firmware, depending on where you're experiencing the issue. So if you are not regularly updating the app, try clearing the app's cache and data or uninstalling or reinstalling it. So if you're on your Android device, then simply open your Google Play Store and search for Netflix. So once you're gonna search for it, you will have this kind of interface on your screen, and you need to simply check if there is some update available in that particular section right besides the uninstall option. So if there is update available, then simply hit the update button to fix the error, or you can also go and tap on your settings and go to your apps and simply clear the cache of the Netflix app. So once you simply tap on Netflix, you can find the option called storage, simply clear cache, and now it might also help you fix the update error or update required problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.